My name's Claudia Fatone and I was the CEO of the Fitzroy Legal Service for 8 years. So in the lead up between the merger of Fitzroy Legal Service and Darebin Community Legal Centre, understandably there were concerns raised by staff around their job security and what would the merger mean for their specific roles within the organisation. Other concerns were around access to justice for clients, and by coming together, would we unnecessarily conflict out a whole range of clients who would previously have been able to seek assistance from either of the two organisations. So one of the real benefits, I think, of the merger was that we have a bigger staff team who are then able to support each other, work closely together, bring new ideas. One of the benefits we could see was it was a great opportunity for staff support and supervision, great opportunities for people to have progress within a slightly larger organisation in terms of their career, some greater resourcing from IT and administrative resources. So I think that people, our staff groups slowly understood that as we went through the process. Could see the benefits to themselves, but ultimately then what that would mean in terms of the services we could provide to the community. So as part of the merger, it was really important to consider how the histories of the two organisations would continue to be honoured in the new organisation. And whilst the new amalgamated entity continued to retain the Fitzroy Legal Service name, we're really committed to ensuring that the history of the Darebin Community Legal Centre was also acknowledged. So on our website, we made sure we had the histories of both of the previous organisations. We rebranded the Fitzroy Legal Service with a new logo, really to signify that whilst it was called the Fitzroy Legal Service, a new type of Fitzroy Legal Service, which included a commitment to supporting the Darebin community, as had the Darebin Community Legal Centre done for many, many years. Part of the intent of the merger was to ensure we could provide greater level of services and access to justice to the community of the Inner North in Melbourne. And we were able to achieve that through the way we set up our legal practice structure, which resulted in less conflicts and more people being able to be assisted once the merger took effect. And I think that gave staff great confidence that the benefits of the merger were being realised. I would encourage both the members of the Flemington, Kensington CLC and in Melbourne Community Legal Centre to really think about what's best for the community, not just now but into the future. It's very hard as small organisations with the regulatory and compliance requirements, with funding restrictions, to really maximise your resources. And I think if you can come together and be stronger as an amalgamated entity and do more for the community, not just now, but in 5, 10, 20 years, and ensure the viability of really strong community legal services, then I would say that it's an opportunity to really proceed with.